तो ये था ये. अब मैंने बेटा इसमें मैंने what I have done here is in this particular case I made a collection called voucher call. My source collection is voucher sequence of a voucher run. So what happens is that suppose I say this, I run this SQL ledger call so I take voucher call, right? Suppose I take this, तो मैं तुम्हें एक केस बता देता हूँ. Suppose I say select dollar voucher number from voucher call. So I get this. So I can actually make a report within Tally and say that okay fine that this is there, this voucher number is. ऐसे में सब ऐड कर दूंगा एक एक करके, right? That is not the problem. The problem comes in that when I walk in through this voucher collection, so I make this and I want to insert this voucher into Tally. So I walk this collection, I make a new object called voucher. Then I set it as voucher number, this. Then I say I insert a collection object, all voucher entries. अब ये question है, should I put in voucher entries or should I contain inventory entries? ये that's I need to check. Inventory entries करके देखें क्या? Then what happens? If I go with inventory entries, then I have got a stock item name. Okay. And the rate is also going to be there. Now what I do is I rebuild this. Let's see whether I am able to do anything with it. Right. So this insert collection object inventory entries should work. Right. Because below this then there will be another one, which is the batch allocations. Now the other thing is that instead of set target and save target, why don't I do create target? So this target dot dot target dot dot. Just let's see how it works. Because the thing which I'm not able to do it is to insert the data into the right company if I've got multiple companies open. So with one company I can get this thing to work. But for now let me just load it here. But this I have given it to Tally. No entries in voucher. Label 01C, no entries in voucher. जीवन के दिन छोटे we'll have to ask somebody on how to get this. Set target here. That means that this portion is correct. This portion is creating a problem. because ledger this thing, so we'll have to just check. Zero one BL. Set value credit amount. $$ as credit amount. This $$ as ऐसे कर दें. Or I need to go down. Because 01BG, it's not saying, it's not giving an error on 01BG. It's giving an error here, 01BL. Right? Next-gen execution failed. Zero one B Z. Insert collection object, batch allocations. Zero one B N O. Set target : dot. Okay, so I'm making another object, and there I'm setting up in the batch allocations. स्टॉक आइटम नेम है क्या? नहीं है. Batch rate is there. Okay. Amount is there. Amount is there. Build quantity is there. There is some other problem which I have done. ये पूछना ही पड़ेगा ऐसे. तो मुझे पूछना पड़ेगा. We'll have to ask them. So basically, as far as the ledger goes, I can insert it, but I don't know which company to access. That is with Tally Solutions, right? The other one is going to be that how do you insert the sales order? That is what the entire contract is, if it comes, right?
Yes, sir.
So I'm walking down, insert collection object here. तो इसको एक बार खुद अपने end पे भी type कर लेना. Let's see how it goes. 01BL action execution failed. Select dollar credit underscore amount from voucher call. G का हो बे. Okay, there is a problem here. Then credit underscore quantity, credit amount should work. But with one it's working. How do I get it to the 10? Now the problem is, how do you get it to the right company? Because there are multiple companies and all. There's no company element here, which I'm not able to understand. Why have they not put a company name? Because that ledger is associated with a certain company. So L is working, but M is not working. So this is clear. So now it says build quantity as credit underscore quantity. Select dollar credit underscore quantity from voucher call 130. If इसको ऐसे कर लेते हैं, डॉलर डॉलर क्रेडिट अमाउंट is greater than 0, then else 0. ऐसे कर दें. Correct? G credit underscore quantity. Let's make this again. इसमें बैच नेम विल बी प्राइमरी ना. How does tally behave? No entries in voucher. Why? इसमें डिस्काउंट होता है क्या? नहीं होता. बैच रेट क्या होता है? बैच नेम इधर आया, बैच डिस्काउंट. जीवन के दिन there's something I'm missing in the final case. I think we'll have to ask them only. P समझ में नहीं आ रहा. बैच में ये किया. You understand why I've done this? I made an collection object inventory entries here, and below that I've made another collection object which is batch allocations under here, and put stock item name and inventory entries, right? Because that's where it comes. The amount goes in the batch allocations. Credit amount goes to this thing. Let's see now what happens. No, it is not picking up entries in the voucher. We'll have to just ask.